The next you are going to learn about this kanji. This kanji had a reading of onyomi, sai, sai. Kunyomi reading motomo, motomo, motomo. This kanji had a meaning of most or extreme. So the next we are going to see some sample of how to use the kanji. Saikin. Saikin is mean recently or lately. These days, nowadays, or right now. The next, Saichu. Saichu. Saichu is mean in the middle of or high of or in cost of or midst. You see that chu is mean middle, but saichu is mean in the middle. Sai is mean extreme, right? Or so when you put the sai to the kanji of chu, so you have the meaning of in the middle. Saiko. Saiko. Saiko is mean most or highest, maximum or uppermost or span. Span. Saiko is mean the highest. The kanji of ko is mean tall or high. So the kanji of sai is mean extreme. So when you put the two kanji together, you have the meaning of highest or maximum or spread. The next, saizen. Saizen. Saizen is mean the very best or most. Zen is mean beauty, is mean good, right? Zen is mean good, but saizen is mean sai is mean extreme, right? So when you put two kanji together, it means the very best. Saiyaku. Saiyaku. Saiyaku is mean worst or horrible, horrid or food. Yaku or aku is mean bad. So when you put with the sai, the word sai yaku is mean really bad. So when you say in English, we can say worst or horrible or food, something like this. This word, if you say slowly, it can say sayaku. But if you say faster, you can say sayaku. Sayaku. Actually, you can hear sayaku. In Japanese, people don't say sayaku. The next, motomo. Motomo. Motomo is mean most or extremely. Most